Hare Krishna, Unit 1, Bhagavad Gita 2.7 Karpanna dosho pahato svabhavo prichhami tvam dharma samudda chetah yachendra shannischitang bruhi tanme shishyaste mam tvam sham shadimam tam prapanne. I have lost all composure because of weaknesses. I don't know what is my duty. So I request you to kindly suggest me what need to be done. I am your surrendered soul. I am your disciple. Please instruct me. 2.13 देहिनो अश्मिन जता देहे कौमणं यौवनं जरा तथा देहांतर प्राप्ति धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति. As the embodied soul passes from boyhood to youthhood to old age, similarly a body changes from one body to another body. An enlightened person doesn't become bewildered by that. 2.20 न जायते म्रियते वे कदाचित न भविता बा न भूय अजो नित्यं शाश्वत पुराणो न हन्नते न हन्नमाने शरीरे. The embodied soul doesn't change. It is unborn, everlasting, permeable. It doesn't change. It doesn't change when the body is slain. 2.44 भोगश्चर्य प्रसक्तना त्यापृत चतसाम व्यवसायत्मिका बुद्धि समाधान न विद्यते. A person who is very much attached to material sense pleasure and material things, devotion to the Supreme Lord doesn't take place in his heart. 3.27 प्रकृति क्रियाकर्माणि गुणाकर्मण सर्वशा अहंकार विमुरात्मा कर्ता मरति मान्यते. Any person who is controlled by the three modes of material nature, but a person bewildered by false ego, thinking that he is doing, but actually he is controlled by the modes of material nature. 4.2 एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम idam राजस्व विदु साकालना महता योगनष्ट पड़ंतपा. In this way, the knowledge comes to the chain of disciplic succession, but it seems that due to the effect of time, the chain is broken. That's why I came to instruct and continue this chain, disciplic succession. 4.8 परित्राणं साधुना विनाशं च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि योगे योगे. To save the devotees and to annihilate the miscreants, I take incarnation in every millennium. 4.9 4.9 is जन्म कर्म च दिव्यम जो जानाति तक्तवक तक्तादेहं पुनर्जन्म नैति मामेतु समार्जुना. The person who knows the divine nature of my birth and work doesn't take birth upon leaving this body. 5.22 5.22 is तद्विधि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्न शिवाय उपदेक्षित ज्ञानिना ज्ञानिनस्तत्तदर्शिना. That's why offer surrender to the learned person, offer humble services to him, and become pleased. He will tell you the truth which he has realized. 5.29 भोक्ताराम यज्ञ तपसाम सर्वलोक महेश्वराम सुहृदम सर्वभूतानाम ज्ञात्ममाम शांतमृच्छति. I am the source of everything. I am the enjoyer of all the fire sacrifices. A person who knows me attain ultimate peace. 6.47 योगिनमपि सर्वेषां मद्गदान्तरात्मान् श्रद्धवान् भजते मां यतम आत्मतममतः. Among all the yogis, a person who offers me or who is always thinking of me, worship me, offer homages unto me, is all dear to me. That is my opinion. Unit 4, Nectar of Devotion, 1.1.11. Ananyabhilashitam sunnam ज्ञानोकर्मानुवानवृताम अनुकूलनु कृष्णानु शीलानाम भक्तिरुच्यते. A person who has who devotional feelings entered into him, he serve Krishna. He doesn't who has detached from the monastic philosophy, fruitive action. He humble and submissively serve Krishna as Krishna desires. 1.1.12 सर्वपादि विनिर्मुक्तम तत्परत निर्मलम ऋषिकेन ऋषिकेश सेवन भक्ति रुच्यते. A person whose pure devotional service evokes, he engages his senses, who is to the service of Krishna, who is the control of all senses, and his senses become purified. 1.2.234 अथ श्री कृष्ण नामादि नाभावे ग्राह्य इंद्रिय सेवन भक्ति भुक्तिर सेवनम अथ श्री कृष्ण नामादि नाभावे ग्राह्य इंद्रिय सेवन मुखे जीवादु स्वयमेव स्वरते आधार. In a person who is fully engaged in devotional service, he engaged his tongue in the service of Krishna by chanting the holy name and tasting the prasad. Ashaktara prasad 1.2.255 Anashaktasya vishayam yatartham upi anjite nirvanda Krishna sambandhe yukta vairagya uchyate. A person who is not attached to anything, but on the same contrary, he engages everything in the services to Krishna. He is rightly situated above possessiveness. Unit 5, Shri Upanishad Invocation. Om Purnamadam Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Shishyate. The Supreme Lord is complete. Everything emanates from Him is complete. Everything, and after the complete perfect, after emanating every complete thing from Him, He still becomes complete. Mantra 1 Ishavasya idam sarvang yat kinchang jagatang jagat tena taktena bhunjita magrida kashasvidam dhanam. A person knowing everything who is controlled and owned by the Supreme Lord. That's why a person should take only those things which are necessary, which is set aside for him, knowing well others to whom it's belong. Nectar of instruction, text 1 वाचो वेगम मनस्क्रोध वेगम जीव वेगम उदरपस्य वेगम एताद वेगम यो विषयता धीरा पृथ्वीम स शिष्यात. A person who has control over tongue, belly, genitals, who is equipped in different stress and anger, he is qualified to make disciples throughout the world. And text 2 अत्यहर प्रयासश्च प्रजल्प नियमग्रह जनसंघश्च लोलं च शरभि भक्ति प्रणश्यति. Below are the 6 things which destroys one devotional service. Eating too much necessary, collecting more than eating too much more than required, collecting too much which more than necessary, talking about mundane things, following the scriptural rules regulation without knowing its meaning, or following or working or with not following the scriptural rules regulation and working whimsically independently. And then associating with mundane person who are not interested in Krishna consciousness and become greedy for mundane achievements. Text 3 उत्साह निश्चयाधर्या तत्कात कर्म प्रवर्तना तत्कर्म प्रवर्तना जन संगतोग्गा सतोवृत्ति सर्वैत भक्ति पनिष्यति. Being enthusiastic, having patience, following the footsteps of previous acharyas, following the footsteps of previous acharyas, not associating with the non-devotees, being confident, and following the rules, regulation, or regulatory principles, namely hearing, chanting, and remembering Krishna. These are the 6 things which helps in person going devotional service. Text 4. ददाति प्रतिगिन्नाति गुह्यमाख्याति पृच्छाति भुंजाति ब्रिजाति चैव षडविधि भक्ति प्रसिद्धति. These are the 6 things by which one devotee shares love with another devotee: giving gifts, accepting gifts, inquiring confidentially, or talking about confidential matters, giving prasad and accepting prasad. These are the 6 things by which one devotee shares love with another devotee. Thank you. Hare Krishna.